Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Audi Q5 2.0T Quattro Premium Plus. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a Tiptronic transmission. This Audi has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and Bluetooth.